this is downstairs. They have a commercial kitchen down here. Oh, now we can see what's in here since I brought flashlights. I'm wondering if this was actually, no, it's just under the stairs. Yeah, it's just under the stairs. Okay. That was anticlimactic. I'm kind of surprised that they couldn't keep this as a coffee shop, because this is pretty nice. I mean, it doesn't look bad. I mean, they obviously made it look very presentable. I don't know why that business wouldn't have survived here. Very, very nice bathroom back here. They do a nice job. It's weird that there's a shower down here, but whatever. It's not a bad thing. That's an old water heater. And they have a men's room back here. Kind of standard stuff.
I guess it was just like an antique, like they sold like.
Yeah, I saw those pictures. Yeah, it was like a, but that was next door, right? Or they didn't.
No, that wasn't either.
I thought there was a picture of a thing that said like Daniel's Coffee or something on the board here. But maybe that's a, I don't know. Maybe that's a previous occupant. So yeah, here's this building. About 100-year-old building, if not older. It may be a 120-year-old building, really. But yeah, it'd be that spot, and then the upstairs there is the other occupants. So I'd be buying these two storefronts basically, which is, I don't know, kind of odd because it's not the entire building, but whatever. I mean, yeah, it had to have a food and beverage business here. I mean, nobody would put in an expensive bar like this.
Yeah, I just think that the last owners have utilized it, but it looks like they did. I've never been here. I feel like I'm pretty.
Well, now you're in the know.
Yeah, now I was, but I didn't.
No, you weren't even close, but now you are. You're welcome.
Thank you. I'm like, if there's any buildings you can look at down that part of it, because they have